So now what we'll do is look at completed cycles. When you look at the completed cycles from this tab, you're going to see yourself in matrices that already have people with names under them. So in this test account, for recording purposes, we actually have some things here from the date last week when we were setting up. And so if you take a look, you'll see that if this was your matrix, it means you've already cycled out in the $100 board, which means you've already would have been paid $100 to your wallet, and the other $100 would have paid for you to go into a new wallet to your sponsor. That's what each completed cycle means. You'll get a date and time stamp on it. You'll know what date, which is like, just say this time would be the 3rd of July at 11:53 in the morning and 39 seconds. You have a date and time stamp that you'll notice when you get to your transaction history. If this was a real account, you go right to your transaction history and look up that date and time, and you will find that transaction and the hash. Once you get the hash, you can take it out to blockchain.info, paste it in. You'll see the transaction, what wallet it went to. You'll see it all there. And then in your transaction history, you'll actually see the actual, if you were cycled out of the board, it'll say you've cycled to a new board. If it's a incoming transaction, it'll give you who it's from, right? Show you the wallet address it went to and give you the hash so you can know exactly how much you made, no matter what level it is. So here's one at $50, same thing, different time frame, the board number that was completed, and then the $50. And you'll notice that the same transaction would show up on the blockchain at blockchain.info as well. So that's how you do it. Notice that your red means that it's you, and anything blue means it's someone that you sponsored or that has cycled to your board, or that is you've cycled, but I mean you sponsored and they've cycled to your board. So that's how that works. Okay.